video repair about puncture repairs on motorcycle tyres. We've got a pair of tyres here, just taken off a bike. The Angel STs 120/70 ZR rated 17, and your British standards do say that you should not repair ZR rated motorcycle tyres. We've just looked at these tyres. They've off, they've had a repair done somewhere. As you can see, the repair is all loose, all coming off, and especially at high speed that could have been fatal for the rider. So not a very good repair, but should have been repaired anyway. So that's one repair which has failed. Got the second tyre here, a 190/50/17 ZR rated, probably Angel ST. I'm just spotted on there. It's got a ripped, damaged beam. Also, you can see on there, pair again is coming off. It's been buffed to the cords, so a poor repair. And again, that could have been fatal for this rider. Suzuki GSX-R 1000 bike he was riding. So again, when you do start thinking about getting the tyres puncture repaired on motorbikes, it's not really a very good option to do. We certainly don't recommend it here at Addison Tyres. So just a short video there, just showing what can happen to tyres when they're repaired, especially if they're not repaired properly. So you're always best having a brand new tyre. If you do get a puncture, it's far more safer.